testing, drawbacks of manual testing, automation, advantages of automation, Selenium and its feature. Now let's see what is manual testing. Testing the application or software repeatedly or again and again manually to find the defect in the software according to the customer requirement. Manual testing is process of finding out the defect or bugs in the software program. In this method, the tester plays an important role of an end user and verifies that all the features of an applications are working correctly. Here the testers will manually execute test cases without using any automation tools. Without manual testing, testing process will not be complete and there is a chances of critical functional issues if we less bothered about manual testing process. For that, manual testing is base for automation testing. Without manual testing, we cannot go for automation. Now let's see what are the drawbacks of manual testing. The manual testing requires a more time and more resources, sometimes both. Because of that, covering all areas of applications require more tests, creating all possible test cases and executing test cases takes more time, and it is a tedious. Executing same test cases again and again will be time taking process as well as it's a boring job, and it is less accuracy. Testers may make mistakes, so we cannot expect more accuracy in manual testing. Performance testing is impractical in manual testing because testing tool is mandatory to conduct the performance test. Test scope is very limited. And somewhat disadvantages are there, that is GUI objects as difference and color combination etc. are not easy to find in manual testing, not suitable for large scale project and time bounded project, and for each and every test execution human user interaction is mandatory. To overcome all these drawbacks, we'll go for automation. Let's see what is automation. The process of using a computer program to execute user transaction against an IT system. This is typically done by automation tool. Automation testing tools are capable of executing test, reporting outcomes and comparing the result with an earlier test runs. Tests carried out with these tools can be run repeatedly at any point of the time. When best to go for automation is if the system undergoes cycles of retesting by regression testing. This leads to it practically executing several thousands of test cases, which is not only time consuming but monotonous and leading to errors. So to solve such a problem, we go for automation testing. Automation testing typically used for functional regression testing, performance testing, load testing, network testing and security testing. Let's see what are the advantages of automation testing. Automation saves a lot of time, especially when it comes to the regression testing. In regression testing, we need to run all test script associated with the change. This is riskier, that is due to time constraints. We may not run all the tests associated to the change, which may result in undiscovered defect. These issues can overcome by automation tests. And speed. As automation tests are run by tool, these are the runs much faster than the human users, which adds to a first benefits of saving time. And repeatability. The same test can be rerun in exactly the same manner of eliminating the risk of human errors such as tester. And reusable. Test can be reused on different versions of software information, and some more advantages are that it is programmable and it is increase the coverage. You can build a suite of tests that covers every features in your application. That's cost reduction, and there will be a good ROI, that is a return on investment. Now let's see what are the automation tools are available in market. There are plenty of automation tools available in market. That some of them are Test Complete, QTP, SOAP UI, Selenium, RFT, Visual Studio Test Professional and a Test Drive and etc. In these, more popular one is Selenium, and it is a open source tool. Now let's see what is Selenium. Selenium is a portable software testing framework for web application. Testing done using Selenium tool is usually referred as a Selenium testing, and it is an API for web browsers. Selenium is a set of different software tools, each with a different approach to support the set test automation. There are four tools in Selenium, that is Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. Most Selenium QA engineers focus on the one or two tools that most meets the needs of their project. However, learning all the tools will give you many different options for approaching different test automation problems. The entire suite of tools result in rich set of testing functions, especially graded to the needs of testing of web applications of all types. Let's see what are the advantage of Selenium. Selenium is free to use, and it is an open source tool. Open source tool is that platform to very specific task and in which the source code is openly published for use and the modification from its original design, and it's free of charge. And there is a disciplined documentation of test cases, and will go for frequent regression testing, and it supports multiple browsers like IE browser, Mozilla browser, Chrome browser, Opera browser, Safari browser, and it's also support for headless browsers like Phantom.js and HTML unit. And it supports from multiple programming languages like Ruby, Python, Perl, Java, C#, and PHP, and it also supports a multiple operating system like Linux, Windows, Android, and Mac OS. Now let's see what are all the possible intro questions of this topic. That is, what is manual testing and its advantages or drawbacks, what are